Question, how many Harry Potter books are there? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3.
What is that, a duck? That's a duck.
Ow! Oh.
Did it bite you?
No.
No?
No.
So which Harry Potter book is your favorite? Which one do you like the best?
This one.
That one. Let's see what that one is.
No. This one. This one.
This is the Sorcerer's Stone. Ah, bless you. Bless you.